Hello and welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. I'm Miss Sam, your phonics teacher. In today's video, we will learn to read digraph words. Are you ready to learn along with me? Yes, let's get started. Letter S and H, when they come together, they make a new sound. Shh. Shh is a digraph. F, I, sh, fish. F, I, sh, fish. F, I, sh, fish. D, I, sh, dish. D, I, sh, dish. D, I, sh, dish. W, I, sh, wish. W, I, sh, wish. W, I, sh, wish. To read, we must know the phonic sounds. Knowing A, B, C, D will not help us to read. If you want to learn all the phonic sounds, download the Up to 6 Phonics Plus app now. Sh, o, p, shop. Sh, o, p, shop. Sh, o, p, shop. Sh, I, p, ship. Sh, I, p, ship. Sh, I, p, ship. Is it difficult? No. If you know the phonic sounds, then reading is not difficult. Sh, a, t, shut. Sh, a, t, shut. Sh, a, t, shut. Practice reading and writing these words again and again. Then only you will learn. A, sh, hush. A, sh, hush. A, sh, hush. A, sh, rush. A, sh, rush. A, sh, rush. A, sh, rash. A, sh, rash. a, sh, rash, sh, e, d, shed, sh, e, d, shed, sh, e, d, shed, sh, I, n, shin, sh, I, n, shin, sh, I, n, shin. Bl is a consonant blend. Bl, a, sh, blush. Bl, a, sh, blush. Bl, a, sh, blush. Practice reading and writing these words again and again. Now what can we do? We can practice reading digraph sh words with the up to 6 phonics plus app.
Ash, ash, ash. Cash, sh, as in sheet. Sh, eat. Sheet, she, she, she. Sheet, sh, as in shop. Sh, op. Shop, sh, op, sh, op, sh, op. Shop, sh, as in shed. Sh, ed. Shed, sh, ed, sh, ed. Ed, ed, shed, sh, as in shrink. Sh, I, shrink. Sh, I, sh, I, sh, I, shrink. Sh, as in sheet. Sh, eat. Sheet. She, she, she. Sheet, sh, as in brush. Brr, ah, sh. Brush, brr, ah, sh, brr, ah, sh, brr, ah, sh. Brush.
Thanks for watching. Download the Up to 6 Phonics Plus app now for endless reading and spelling practice. I'll see you soon. Bye. Keep practicing.